Alright, today I got a 1998 Chevy Camaro. We're gonna install a lot of stuff today, but the video gonna show how to install the the radios. So in order to do a radio on this one, sometimes they have a hidden screw down here, and I haven't done this forever, so I cannot exactly remember. I had to kind of look at it first. I'll be honest with you, I think there's a screw right here. I'm gonna try to pry this off and check it out first before I pry anything out. So yes, there's no screw, it's just a clip. So you just take a flat head from here, or tool removal tool from AutoZone, the plastic, or put any plastic, something soft, not too soft, but like plastic, and just pull this out like this and follow from one side going down. Well, it could be up, just because it's got only this small clip right there. It's not too bad. See this clip? It's not so hard now. Sometimes the clip will break right here. That'd be a difficult task, but in my case, it's pretty easy. And just pop this off right here, or keep it like that. I usually keep it. I don't want to touch anything else. Keep it like that, and take a 7mm and take this 2 7mm out. So usually you have 2 hands. You got one to hold. I didn't have 2 hands. One of my hands holding the camera. Once you get that out, you just pull it out like that. You're gonna feel something tight in there. You don't want to pull all the way, so you want to sneak your hand in there and see what's holding it. It's the wiring. So what I do, I push it down. Let's see if I push it down or not. Let me see something. What you're gonna have to do when you reach inside there, pretend there's a radio right there. You want to push this down right here with your finger, and then you pull the radio out. Same as this one, you gotta reach underneath here and push this up like this. Push the end piece up right here. I'm flipping that over. It stay like this. Push it up like that, and then pull the radio out. Once you get this out, it should be fine. Or sometime, if you want to, you can just lift this wire. If you can reach it all the way in there, depending on how big your hand is, and the radio should come this far. But a lot of time the radio will stay behind like that, and the radio is gonna block it right there. So you need I'm used to this harness a lot. It's 70-18-58 is the wiring harness, and then the mounting kit usually a 99-30-300, I believe. And this antenna is GM10 is an antenna if the customer want antenna for the radio station. But yes, I'm used to this, but I haven't done this for a long time. I've probably done about 10 of them, that's it. So just wire it up, same thing, and it's pretty simple. I mean, this is probably the easiest one to do when it comes to a radio. Mounting kit is 99-3300. It's only for a single den like this, and the wiring harness is 70-18-58. All you have to do is match the same color as this one. You don't have to hook up the illumination light, so you don't have to hook up the orange wire or the orange and white. The rest, hook it up. Now for the mounting kit, make sure this lip right there is on the bottom. This is the right hand side, and I mean it's pretty easy to see. You just put the regular factory stereo next to it. You can see what it look like. It's kind of go one way. If you put the opposite way, it's not gonna look like that. It's gonna stick out here. So, and that's it.